Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to see a series called Fibonacci Master Course for free. In this particular series, we're gonna to cover couple of videos which covers Fibonacci numbers and series introduction as well as the terminology of Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extinction and Fibonacci projection, as well as we're gonna to also see Fibonacci price cluster setups, and we're gonna to see high probability setups by using Fibonacci, which is combining with chart patterns along with ideal setup and live trade. At the end of this course or end of this series, if you watch and follow entire series, then I can bet you and guarantee you that you can master and become a pro in the Fibonacci retracement or Fibonacci tool. At the end of the course, I'm gonna to also give you a bonus, that is I'm gonna to trade live with you guys using Fibonacci, and also we're gonna to see ideal setup which I usually and generally follow. So without wasting any time, let's get into the first video of this series. The first video of this series is introduction and terminology we use in the Fibonacci. And before getting started, let me tell you usually what we do. Usually this is happened lot of times in my career, in my trading career. I don't know how many of you have faced this or not. See, we usually at the beginning stage, this is important resistance, and we see a green candle given a breakout, and we usually take entry here, and our view is on upside. We are bullish on this particular stock. After this breakout at the beginner level, many beginners, even me in the beginning stage, made this mistake. We see this is a proper breakout and we take the entry here, and after that it hits our stop loss and it continues in the same direction which we analyzed. So here our analyze or our view is completely approved by the market or the stock, and we are 100% correct. But where we made the mistake? We made the mistake in the entry level. Here we should not take the entry. So why? Let also discuss that in a uptrend. See, in order to cover this Fibonacci series, you should have the knowledge of trend. If you have not watched our videos on trend and you don't know what is trend, I highly recommend you to go and watch out that video first and come back to this video for better understanding. And if you have already watched the trend video, or if you have knowledge regarding the trends, then it is like a cakewalk for you. So in this uptrend, never market goes in a single direction like this. See, the market moves in somewhat up direction and it gets some correction, some up and some correction, up move and correction. This is how the market or a particular stock moves in a up direction. And in the similar way, in the downtrend, even the stock or market or any contract will not move downside in this straight direction. It moves some little bit down direction and we get some correction, down, correction, down. This is the pattern, or this is the proper way where a trend moves. And coming to trend, let me also give you small introduction of trend, like if you want to recap all the trend concepts. So trend is like we have three type of trends, but in particular trendy market we see only two type of trends, that is uptrend and downtrend, where we have even seen the example. So now let's see how in the previous example, even we at the previous breakout we have taken the entry. So what's the mistake we are doing? The mistake is like in a trend we have two different type of moves, that is impulse and correction. Impulse is the trend. After that, as I explained, we will get some correction in that, and again the direction of the trend continues. So in this impulse move we should not take the entry. If we take entry in the this particular impulse move, then there is high probability that our stop loss may hit. We have to always take the entry in this correction or we also call this as retracement. So the point is clear. We have to take the entry in the correction or retracement. We should not take entry in the impulse. So the $1,000,000 question is like how to calculate the retracement. Obviously you might also get this doubt, so not to worry, let's go and see how to calculate the retracement. For this, every trading terminal provides this tool. This tool name is Fibonacci Retracement, and we calculate this by using the swing low and highs to calculate the retracement. Nothing to worry, it's like you will understand everything after end of the series, but just remember that this is the tool look likes to calculate the retracement. Okay, and 0.6 is the golden ratio of it, and we are also going to see why it is golden ratio and everything we're gonna to cover. But before that, I again want to say you that if you watch the whole series, then you are going to become a pro in the Fibonacci, and trust me, your whole entire trading setup will look differ after you include the Fibonacci into your trading setup. So in order to watch the whole series, you have to subscribe to the Indus Trader YouTube channel, because as I upload the video you will get the notification only if you have subscribed to our channel. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So as I discussed, 0.6, or else in replicate we can also say 1.618 is the golden ratio of Fibonacci. So in order to go to the introduction of Fibonacci, we have to go back to the 200 BC. This is proposed or discovered by Leonardo Pisano Bogollo. And let me also make it very short. His nickname is Fibonacci, and his friends used to call him the Fibonacci. On his name, the Fibonacci series have been discovered. So what is this Fibonacci numbers? For an let's a simple example, I have taken two numbers 55 and 89. If we add both the numbers, we get the 144, and the simple again add back 89 plus 144, which results in 233, and if you add 143 plus 233, which result in 377, and so on. In the relationship between the numbers in the series, you will find the ratio is 1.618. So this is called the golden ratio. For that, you can also take any number of series, and if you follow this Fibonacci series, and you will get the ratio is 1.618. If you didn't get it, go back to the video, watch again. You will get it clear in once or twice or thrice. And if that issue, you can also go with your own numbers and you can try on that. Still you get 1.618 as the ratio. If you have any doubt, you can also ask in the comment section. Nothing to worry, and don't hesitate to ask any question related to the trading. We, the Indus traders team, is always ready to help you out. So after 55 into 1.618 results in 89, and 89 into 1.618 results in 144. That's the reason we call this 1.618 as the golden ratio. And even 0.618 and 1.618 both we consider as a golden ratio, but in different aspects. Like one is in the retracement, another one is in the extinction. So we're gonna to look after that also, nothing to worry. And before that, let me tell you, golden ratio is not only used in trading or like mathematics. The golden ratio also found in human face, flower petals, animal bodies, fruits, vegetables, formation, rock formation, and many more. If we keep on talking about this golden ratio, it is never ending topic, and also which is not that much necessary for us, because more or over this series is going to be on a practical manner rather than of a theory. Still, if you want to gain the knowledge, then you can simply search Fibonacci retracement by the Indus Trader in Google, and you will get the first site. In this Indus Trader particular website, In a post we have given the complete information about Fibonacci retracement, and even we are also going to upgrade it as the time changes. So even we have discussed only about 0.6 calculation in this particular slide, and if you want to know the calculation of 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 and lot more the extensions also, then obviously the ultimate solution, go and search the Fibonacci retracement by the Indus trader. In this particular website we have uploaded everything, like in the previous slide we have seen only 0.6 calculation, but if you want to know about 0.5, 0.3, 0.2, 0.786 and how this series or ratio is calculated for all the information, and along with this golden rules, as we discussed every information, if you want to gain more knowledge, in the video we are going to cover only the part which is very necessary. So if you want to gain extra knowledge, then obviously you can consider go to Google and search the Fibonacci retracement by the Indus trader, then you get an article which covers all the extra information. So now coming to how to apply Fibonacci on chart. So without wasting any time, let's open our terminal. This is my files terminal. Okay, and the previous example which I have shown in the starting of the video, let's open that and let me show you. So we have taken the entry here and our stop loss hit, but if you consider 0.6, you can see the market exactly respected 0.6 and taken as support and rallied in our direction. And not only this, I'm gonna to show you the examples of current market also. Like see, this is the recent swing high and this is low, and if you see, let me also clear that the market never travels in this direction. As I explained you, market travels little more down move and correction, down move and correction, down move and correction, down move and correction, down move and correction. Let's be professional because we have already seen not the down move, it's the impulse and correction, impulse and correction. So as I explained you should not enter in this particular impulse move. You have to wait until this retracement or the correction. So in order to find these swings, how much retracement it happens, so simple, you go to, we have tools here, and as I said, I am using the Fires platform, which is very good for trading, and we have a special video for Fires. If you have not watched, I am leaving the link in the iCard. Go and watch it. And coming to the topic, click on here and you have a Fibonacci retracement tool, and the shortcut is Alt plus F, and the tool is this. So let me show you how to apply this tool. Go to Fibonacci here, click on Fibonacci and click on swing high. We are applying on swing low, and you can see how simple it is and how beauty it is. Exactly at the golden ratio, the star stock got the rejection, which is a wonderful setup. We are also going to see this type of setups and much more in the upcoming videos, and we are also going to cover all the topics. And as I said, not to forget to subscribe because we are going to cover all the videos regarding the Fibonacci retracement, and I can guarantee you that you will become a pro in the Fibonacci once you complete this entire course and practice. So see you in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Thank you. Jai Hind.